Hi friends, welcome to PythoVibes YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to find sum of even and odd numbers in a given list. So I have already defined one function here and I'll be passing this as my input list to this function. So let me do one thing. I will take two variables here. Sum of even will be 0 and sum of odd also be 0. Otherwise, we could take the same thing, both these things in a same line. Equals to 0. So initially I'll be initiating these two variables to 0 and then I will just loop over list of elements for number in my list and I'll just check whether this number percentile 2 equal to 0 or not. When we check this modulus operation with the 2, if it is gives us 0, then that we can consider it as a even number. So then I will do one thing. Even sum of even plus equals to, I just add this number to this sum of even variable so that I will be able to sum up that values only the even numbers to this variable. Otherwise, if it is not a even number, then obviously it is going to be an odd number. So odd number plus equals to number. So I will just do one thing. At the end, I will return this sum of even as well as sum of odd. So let me save this and run it. One second. So we have 14 comma 11. So we will use some abstracts here. Sum of even is even. The same way, sum of odd will also be sum of odd. So this is how we will just written the output so that we can observe our output. So let me save it and run it again. So let me save it and run it. So we can see that sum of even numbers is 14 and sum of odd numbers equals to 11. So let me explain what is happening. So if we validate it, what are the even numbers? 2 comma. So let's do one thing. 2 plus another 2 plus 6 plus 4. So here we got 14 as our even number sum. And what are the other odd numbers? 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus again 3 and then 3. So if we sum up these values, 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 1. Okay. Then we got around 11 as our output. 5 plus 6 actually. Okay. So this is our sum of odd numbers. So if this can only used for sum of the numbers, if they would ask you for the count of numbers, then you can just do one thing. You can just count it as 1 so that you will have how many even numbers? You have 4 even numbers and 5 odd numbers. So you can do one thing, sum of even. Instead of this, you can just return it as count of even and count of odd. So this is how you can check it. For now, I'm not changing any function name here. So just explaining the concept. So you can see that we have count of even numbers as 4 and count of odd numbers as 5. Yeah. That's all guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to PythoVibes YouTube channel.